Okay, today we're going to look at the ProGrade oil filter, number PG4967. And you can get this on Amazon for $8.88. So let's get started.
It's just a network. You gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight. Get your inner here, filtration, everywhere here.
Okay, let's start with the box. This utilizes a blend of cellulose and synthetic fibers with 99% filtration efficiency. And if you look on the Amazon website, it actually says 95% filtration efficiency at 20 microns. Down here they got Houston, Texas, USA. If you look over here, it says made in China. Also, if you look at the picture here, got a metal core with holes, and it looks like a wire backing on the filter media with a little coil spring there. Silicone anti-drain back valve. Alright, let's open her up and see what she looks like. Could be a very interesting filter. Date code 18PR012. This is a sticker. And it has a little bit of a texture to this paint. Very sparkly. They got a plastic cover on here, so it's nice. Let's see if I can get this off. Okay, we got 8 inlet holes. And I see a metal core there with holes. And it looks like a bypass valve down there. It's got a nice amount of threads. And this gasket, this O-ring gasket here, is supposed to be made out of ethylene acrylic. Now it's on here pretty good too. Oh, it's on there good. Yeah, that's nice. Looks about an average thickness. It does have a different feel to it. Yeah, it looks nice. I can't wait to open this up. This is a, looks like it could be an interesting filter here. That looks like a silicone anti-drain back valve too. Yeah, so let's open this baby up. See what she looks like inside. Okay, here she is cut open. Let's see how much she weighs. 225 grams. Check this out. What's that say? Yep. Coil spring. Weigh the base plate. 87 grams. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, it's got a nice amount of threads here. Nice O-ring gasket. We've seen that earlier. It's got like a plasticky look to it. You know. Shiny. But it fits on there really snug. Yeah, base plate's nice on here. It's a lot of threads. And silicone anti-drain back valve. These are nice. Let's see, cover up these holes nicely. The filter element with the coil spring. Now let's take her weight, see how much she weighs. 70 grams. Your metal end caps. Metal crimp seam. And I counted 50 pleats, and they're nicely spaced. Nice, very clean oil filter here. And it's supposed to be a cellulose synthetic media. Bypass valve. It's kind of a unique design. Never seen one like this. You can see the spring. And then you got your regular coil spring right here, which is nice. Nice size coil spring. And you can. Can weighs 54 grams. Let's get a thickness on this can. I was getting 0.74, I think. Yeah, 0.75 millimeters. Yeah, it's around there. 0.76. Thick can. Usually 0.4 to 0.5. You can feel it too. It's thick. And I'll get the measurements here. She's 1.55 inches wide. 2.37 inches this way. And 1.97 inches this way. Yeah, this is a nice clean filter. I love this filter media. Very refreshing opening up a can like this. Well, I say we open this baby up, cut her open, stretch her out, and see how long she is. Okay, here she is stretched out. And she's 46 inches long. Okay, and here she is at the seam. And it's got a nice crimp seam here. They crimped it pretty good, actually. I cut a little sample here. Get a measurement. 0.81 millimeters. It's about average. I usually average about 0.8 on a lot of filters. Close up. And you know, I thought this had a metal backing. There's no metal backing. Because I seen the picture on Amazon. If you look at this picture, look at this box. Doesn't it look like that's a metal screen backing right there? You can look on their website too. They fooled me. They didn't have it in the description, but I just thought by that picture that it came with a metal screen backing, but I was wrong. So let's look at the good and the bad here. This is good. Coil spring. Silicone drain back valve. That's good. Covers holes up nicely. The can is nice and thick. Nice can. And the center core. These are nice. I like the holes. It's got a lot of holes too. Oh, and I took this apart. Chinese hair. It certainly isn't mine. Mine isn't that long. There's a hair on there. You can see how it works right here, see? A little different design, but it serves the same purpose. Yeah. Got the seam here. This all looks nice. Yeah, it's got a lot of holes. Usually they don't have that many holes, but this one's got a lot of holes. Yeah, so they fooled me. I thought it is a pretty good filter though, but they did fool me with this picture. So what do you guys think about this filter? Please post your comments down below. So I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget about Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care. The filter media weighs 11 grams.